Good morning. Ashley. Ashley say good morning. Lozuti, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah. Okay, so today we want to learn the and okay, before that can we sing a song? ABC song? Okay, Lozuti, look here. Can we sing ABC? A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know sing A B C. Next time one you sing with me, okay?
Dolls are dancing, da da da. Dolls are dancing, da da da. Dolls are dancing, da da da. Da is the sound of D. Elegant elephants, eh eh eh. Elegant elephants, eh eh eh. Elegant elephants, eh eh eh. Eh is the sound of E. Five flamingos, five flamingos, five flamingos. It's the sound of F.
Okay? Okay, Ashley. Okay, Ashley starts first, huh? What's this, Ashley? Huh? Duh. Okay, can you give two fingers? Here's your two fingers. How to taste? Like this. Duh. Can I trace? Trace again, trace again. Until down, until down. Okay, go down. Ashley, up and go down straight. Stop. Go up again and turn. The. Okay? If you love to sing, how to taste the. Okay, sit nicely. Two finger. Go. Yes, patai. The. What's this? How to taste? Two finger. Turn again. Turn. Yes, good. Come, show the teacher. From here, from here. Turn. Okay, look here, look the thing. Two finger, line like this, stop. And then turn. How to taste? Yes, good. What's the taste? Yes, good. Okay. Ashley, can you trace the dough and color the dinosaur? So routine also same. Can you trace and color the dinosaur? Okay? Okay, good. Yeah, now, do it now. Take a pencil. Yes, trace. See how you all trace? Okay, and then? Correct. Okay, like this, Zuti, hold, Zuti, hold. No, Zuti, hold pencil. Okay, look, like this. Go down already. Go up again. Turn. Okay? Okay, like this, Zuti. Okay, again, dah. Again, one more time, Go down. Go up again. Turn. Dah. Okay, come. Cheese. Okay. Okay, do again the thing. Okay, then. Okay, this one. It's okay. Again. This one. Wrong is okay. Okay. Can I sleep? You want to go sushi? Okay, hold. You say hold. Okay. Stop. Yeah. Stop. Again. Stop. Okay, answer last. Okay, now color the dinosaur. Color the dinosaur. Color. This hand. Dinosaur, run, dinosaur, run. Dinosaur dancing, da da da. Okay. What's this thing? Can you trace? How to trace? Okay, picture show. Oh, sorry. Wait, let me show. Like this. Stop. Up. Stop. Again, like this. Stop. Up. Press one more, Stop. Good. Okay, test. Okay, please come. Trace the dirt and color the dinosaur. Okay. Yes, correct. Nah, this one. Yay, good. Okay. Can you color the egg? What color is the thing one? Color. No. Use this one. Don't have a peach color. Can I borrow the brown? There? Please? One more. This one? What is this? Okay, can you color the dinosaur? Okay. The thing you see one more here you didn't write. One more F you didn't write. Okay. What is this? Okay, come hold the pencil. Okay, please color the dinosaur and then you still have 2 more pages you need to do. Okay, one more. Okay, can you trace this 6? Okay, this one. Correct. This one. Okay, wait. The thing, wait. This hand hold the paper, so the paper will not move. Trace. Yes. Left. Hold the paper. Ashley's done? Are you done, Ashley? Color the dinosaur. Okay. The thing, can you color the frog? Color. For frog. Yeah. Dolls are dancing, da da da. Dolls are dancing, da da da. Dolls are dancing, da da da. Da is the sound of D. Da. Elegant elephant, Elegant elephant, Elegant elephant, is the sound of E. 5 flamingos, 5 flamingos, 5 flamingos, is the sound of F. Oh, sorry. Duh. Okay? High five. Letter. Yeah, so positive. Yes. Okay. Now can go outside. Finish already. Bye bye.